My name's James, and I'm privileged enough to have worked on super yachts for 5 years, which took me to some of the world's best dive locations. So when I was asked, did I want to dive in Colombo Port, initially I was a little skeptical.
So I'm here at Coral Wall and Dive Research Centre, where I'm learning about their coral regrowth projects in Colombo, Sri Lanka.
This is Piyal, the founder of the centre, who spoke to us enthusiastically about how the centre started and what it sets out to achieve.
I came for a dive at the Astoria, the wreck that I mentioned.
Yeah.
But I couldn't find the wreck because one bearing that we used to take from the land was obstructed by a newly constructed building.
Like a reference bearing,
Yeah,
right? Okay. Piyal's own research has been backed by international scientists who are continuing to support him in his various coral regrowth projects.
Filming and everything and studying about the coral growth.
Yeah.
I realized in 2 years' time that has gone, become a fully grown coral colony. I collected such corals and started establishing a nursery.
Okay.
Another large part of Piyal's focus is to educate the younger generations on the importance of preserving the marine environment.
And this will also be a canopy very soon. That is to attract kids who come here, so that we can educate them on the importance of protecting and conserving marine environment.
100%. Piyal's gone to great lengths to construct a lot of the centre out of upcycled materials.
This is my grandfather's door. It was a donation. I managed to bring it here, and it's 155 years old.
Really?
Yes.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
It's got real history then. But as we got ready for the dive, Piyal warned us that the visibility wasn't likely to be very good. As we headed out to the dive site, it occurred to me that the last time I took my trusty GoPro diving was probably when I was working on the super yachts. Hopefully the case is still waterproof. Once submerged, Piyal was quick to show me evidence of the coral regrowth. But there wasn't much else to see, so we quickly set about cleaning up some of the plastic.
It's really interesting that the plastic is like at 4 meters.
I really enjoyed it. I sometimes get bored staring at fish, and this gave me a sense of purpose. We then went on to explore the super yacht that I used to work on. Just kidding. No, it's a barge that ran aground in Colombo Port back in the day. This is part of Piyal's coral nursery, but unfortunately my mast strap broke and I was having to clear my goggles all the time. It was great to see the new coral growth, especially in a country where I've witnessed lots of coral bleaching. It was time to call it a day, and as I rinsed my trusty GoPro in the recycled rainwater at the centre, I couldn't help think about bringing my daughter here one day for her to learn about the marine environment. A big thank you to Piyal and his team who assure me that the visibility does get better for those of you who like staring at fish.